In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your own Kittl Newsfeed just like this. Now, this is your own personal newsfeed, which will have all of the templates from the designers that you follow. So, if we come over to here for a second under the templates section, what we can do is find templates that we like. We can then follow those designers and then we'll have our own personal feed. So let's take this design as an example. What we can do is click on the little eye just here. We can then go through to this designer to see what their designs look like. We can see that just here. These are really nice. So what we might want to do is follow this designer. We can do this on their own profile just here by clicking on follow, or if we go back to here, we can simply click on the three dots and then click follow. We can do this for any designers that we like. Then, if we want to check out our own personal feed, we can hover over our profile image just here, come down to news feed, and now we're going to have our own personal news feed. So now what we can do is just check out all of the designs which everyone has been releasing. I don't know why there's nothing on that one. And then if we actually like one of these designs, we can simply click on use design. We can also bookmark as well. But now if I click on use design, it's going to open that template up in a new project just like this. And then we can edit that design to however we please. So that's just how easy it is to create your own personal news feed here in Kittl. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.